Hello, it is the 6th of March 2011. Welcome to the Silver Log, and today I'm going to make this little brief. I want to start off by talking about what kind of gains we're going to need for this to be parabolic on the short-term level. When I say short-term, I mean few months. So intermediate term, depending on how you personally look at it, as well as this recent rally over the last few months, how much of it is priced into silver going up compared to dollar weakness. But for now, we're going to start off with the monthly chart. We're looking at the same chart. It's just one of them is linear, one of them is logarithmic. And it's got the same movements, but you can see that there is a quite a difference within the two charts. We see in here, well, not much is happening in. Well, little is happening here, but what we can see is the volatility movement's a lot better. Whether we're down here, up here, or in the middle, it all means the same. The same size candle here, up here, for example, would mean, say, for example, this candle and this candle would be very similar in percentage loss. Where if you look at those two candles on a linear chart, you're looking at this one and this one. I mean, this one doesn't look as big as that, but the difference of going from 8 to about 6 relatively is the same as going from 18 to whatever number it went down to here, like 13 or whatever that percentage happened to be. The trend lines, you can notice a little bit of a difference within the two, I guess. If you take a look at, say, this trend line in here, if you connect those two tops, we still got a long ways to go. Yet, if we connect these two tops in here, well, we've been above that trend line for quite some time. Very, very interesting to say the least. So we'll move this on to the current one. And for example, this is a logarithmic linear chart. Really a little bit harder to tell the difference of the two, but starting to break away as this thing moves higher. The chart that I used, the trend line, that I used back in the earlier part of last year, or the later part of last year, or the start of the rally, we will say, was this trend line in here. We can see that we are still a little bit a ways from it. Whereas if I do draw the trend line in like this, then we are above it. So the same chart, two totally different ways of looking at it, but what I really want to point out is when you can separate between the two, that's when parabolic moves are here. So if anything, my synopsis is it is only just beginning. Now I want to finish this off by looking at the daily chart of gold priced in, the daily price of silver priced in gold using the weighting of milligrams. Now the breakout was 1778 in dollar terms on August the 24th. We got to Friday at 3560-ish or so, which means from the breakout bottom it has doubled in fiat dollars. And it came up to 775 on Friday, from a breakout roughly of about 450. So 300 into 450 is roughly 67%. And I say 300 because the difference from here to here is 300. So it's had better than about a 70% gain or so. So what this tells me is silver has gained 70% priced in gold and 100% priced in dollars. So one of the best ways for me to look at this is that of the price of silver has increased mainly due to silver going higher. But about a quarter of it to 3/10 of it might be because of fiat dollar weakness. Don't know, just saying. Take care. Have yourself a good day. Bye-bye.